Mag-solve tayo ng problems on related rates. A water tank in the shape of an inverted cone is being emptied at the rate of 6 cubic meters per minute. The altitude of the cone is 24 meters, its radius is 12 meters. How fast is the water level decreasing when water is 10 meters deep? Let us begin by sketching our cone and writing down the things that we know about this cone. This is an inverted cone. Ang kanyang dimensions are 12 meters ang kanyang radius, ang kanyang height is 24 meters, dV over dt is negative 6 cubic meters per minute. Bakit natin isinulat yung dV over dt as negative 6 cubic meters per minute? Take note that the quantity of water is decreasing as a function of time. So lumalabas parang ito ay tumutulo or mayroon siyang butas sa ilalim dun sa dulo ng ating cone and water is being emptied through that opening. So which means the quantity of water as a function of time is decreasing. So this means this is a decreasing function, which is why we wrote dV over dt as negative 6 cubic meters per minute. The quantity of our water as measured by the volume of our water is decreasing as a function of time. And in particular, pinahanap sa atin ang dH over dt when the height of our water is 10 meters. Kailangan natin dito yung formula to obtain the volume of a cone kasi yung volume ng water will take the shape of our cone. We shall also need the properties of similar right triangles. Kapag ang dalawang right triangles are similar, the ratios of their sides are equal. The properties of similar right triangles will allow us to write the radius of our cone in terms of its height. Isulat ulit natin yung mga given. dV over dt is negative 6 cubic meters per minute. And our task is to find for dH over dt when the height of our water is 10 meters. Isulat natin yung ating bagong formula for volume. So we will find for dH over dt. So paano natin gagawin yon? We will do it through implicit differentiation. Nag-apply lang tayo ng chain rule. Now we will solve for dH over dt. We will plug in our values. dV over dt is negative 6 cubic meters per minute. H is equal to 10. Solve for dH over dt. I will use a calculator to obtain this value, and it turns out that this is approximately negative 0.08 meters per minute.